Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday the 19th of the March 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar to see what is going on, and then of course we'll do some appropriate technical analysis. So what is going on here? Some data as usual had been published during the Tokyo session, and as you can see, those are quite important data because we got the national CPI from Japan, worse than expected, minus 0.4% versus the forecast of minus 0.2. The similar situation is with the national CPI, except fresh food and energy. So bunch of data from the Japan. Moreover, we got data regarding the interest rate in Japan. The interest rate is still at the same level of minus 0.10%. So the Bank of Japan kept the interest rate intact. And of course, there was some monetary policy meeting minutes and press conference afterwards. During today's day, as you can see, not much is being published really. We got some public sector net borrowing published data from the UK at 8 o'clock, and PPA data from Germany. The Russian Federation will publish the key bank rate 11:30 a.m. Market is expecting no change from 4.25% this time. During the New York session, we have retail sales data from Canada and Bank of England, of course, the Deputy Governor of Financial Stability, John Cunliffe, to give a speech. For all of you crude oil traders, 6 o'clock p.m. The last data for today is Baker Hughes US recount for the crude oil. So not really busy day. It looks like most of the data that might trigger some news, some moves had been published already. But let's take a look at the Japanese yen because it's kind of important to keep an eye on track. So please consider the fact that after the data, we've made a high at the level of 109.14. Actually, as you can see, there is a upper shadow of this candle. There's an upper shadow here yesterday, 2 days ago, and here. So there's clearly some kind of a pressure around the level of 109.88, somewhere there. So let's just make it clear that this is the technical resistance zone, and as you can see, our target for the wave 3 was 109.88. So this still might be the target, but if we count the waves, we have a wave 1 here, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. We might actually completed the up move already at 109.37, which is around 50 pips below the expected level. So if we break below the level of 108.36, we might consider the wave 4 of the main count to be in progress. So please keep an eye on this level, and then of course there's another level, 108.18, which is clearly important level as well. So any violation of this consolidation to the upside, to the downside, will give us a clue what the market is trying to do next on the US dollar to Japanese yen. Let's take a look at the British pound to Japanese yen. It might be important as well. So not much had happened here, except the fact that yesterday British pound have managed to make a new higher high. This is as well the swing high at the level of 152.52. So that's the level here. Let's make it on the chart. Let's just label it. There you go. Let's keep it like that. Please notice extremely overbought market condition, and if we break below 150.76, there is a chance that the market will gain some momentum towards the level of 50 points on the RSI, which is the neutral level. And on the chart, it would look like the 150.76 will be violated. And we can go as low as 108.89 for the beginning. There is still one more technical support, which is the low from 26th of the February 2021 at 147.46. So please keep in mind that this is an interesting level here as well. That's enough for the Japanese yen today. Let's take a look at S&P 500. What is going on there? We got the interest rate decision on Wednesday. And as you can see, there is nothing new on the American markets. The trend is still up. We have a new all-time high, 3,983.50 on the S&P 500. Then we had a down day, but that's nothing new as well for us. And as you can see, we can for sure make this zone as a supply zone. The target is 4,000 points, of course, around psychological number. So this is still our primary target, but the market reversed because it hit the upper channel boundary, possibly, right? So right now the immediate technical support is located at the level of 3,910, and the next technical support is 3,869. So please pay attention to this level. If this level is violated, we're going lower towards this lower channel boundary. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones. What is going on here? The situation is quite similar. And this is very interesting candle to be honest, because at the level of 33,000 we have a new high, 33,226, but this is clearly a down candle with the long upper wick. So it looks like a bearish pressure is getting more intense again. As you can see here on the momentum indicator, we have hit the extremes in the level of 70, so that's the extremely overbought market already. The market is at this level of 33,000 points. So maybe, just maybe, we are starting some sort of a pullback. That would be in line with our analysis of the S&P 500. So where can we go? Of course, our next target is, let me just change the color. This is now technical support. The first target is 32,143, and the second technical support is located at the level of 32,039 points. So please pay attention to this, to these levels. Right now, I'm going to mark my very, very interesting candle here. The confirmation of a down move would be a down day. Well, it would be critical for the down day to occur today. So this candle must be red to confirm this bearish pressure. And of course, let's take a look at the DAX. German index. What is going on there? Well, kind of a similar situation here. Our target was 15,000. Yes, that's correct. 15,000 never hit, but as you can see, we got some interesting price behavior here. So right now, as before, those levels are the key technical support levels, 14,143, and the upper one is 14,164, but the price is trending right now around 14,619. So any violation of this level, let me just mark it. This is 14,400. Any violation of this level will open the road towards the key technical, of course, support. But well, this is very interesting candle with a long upper wick. So please bear in mind that we might see some kind of a bearish pressure. There is another immediate support somewhere here around the 14,602. So those two levels are important in the very, very short term for the bulls, in order to go towards these levels and then eventually bounce towards, of course, the primary target, 15,000 points. So this is exactly how it looks like on my chart for the last day of trading for this week. So thank you very much for watching this short analysis, and I hope I see you guys on Monday. Bye bye.